Hello viewers, welcome to foutain. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 71J, a bright blue marble body and cap, and an eyedropper fountain pen. And here, this is a complete blue color marble finished body, which has a silver trim portion, where the silver clip and a long silver ring on the body of this pen. And here there is a window in which you can find the ink level inside this barrel, and the brand name Airmail also stamped in this body. And here there is a breather hole in the cap. This will prevent the ink from clogging, and it maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or drip ink through the nibs. And the cap held on the body with thread mechanism. You can unscrew the cap to open this. And this is number 8 nib, which is a fine tip gold plated one, and you can swap the nibs as you like, since we have number 8 nibs in many brand. And also number 35 nib suits this pen, as the feeder is quite bigger one. Number 35 nibs also be swapped in this pen, and you can swap with candidate nibs, where we have a fine, medium and broad and flex in number 35, and again with gold dual tone and with silver plated nibs. Usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candid nibs, where we they are named for the Kanpur writers named for their nibs, so they are more smoothest and the best nibs. And the choice is yours, and for that you can go to our site and click pen spares. And there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And now to the diameters. The holding area's diameter of this pen is 10.5 mm, and the body is 12.9 mm, and the length of this pen without cap is 130.6 mm. Now with cap it is 151.6 mm. Now the entire weight of this pen is 24 grams. And since the holding area's diameter is bigger one, this pen is more suitable for adults who have bigger fingers. And also the reservoir capacity is more. You can fill more than 3 ml of inks in this pen. And these measurements, the length of this pen and the breadth the diameters measurements were give some ideas for select the pouches or holders for this pen. And for that too, you can refer our foutain site. We are having those pens, pouches and holders also. And here there is a thread type opening here. All the threads are turned to own out, so please apply silicone grease or Vaseline whenever you are opening and closing the grip area for the ink fill. This will increase your pen's life, threads portion's life, and give a smooth opening and closing. And whenever you fill the ink in the barrel, fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, the leakage path will created and you will spoil your hands. And on the important thing on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing and slowly the ink dries quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. So the reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dust and deposits in the feeder, please remove the holder feeder unit and the nib separately by holding this together and twist and pull this out. You can easily remove this out. And after removing, flush the feeder with the help with the toothbrush or any brush, and wash it well with soap water or in tap water. If you're soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And yeah, in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So here I'm going to give the sample for that. This is Brill bottle. Here it is given, clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and aids quick dry on paper. So it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And yeah, few nibs need to be fine-tuned because during manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down. So it will create some space in between the tines. So you will get a smooth writing and the ink flow will be very good. And whenever we dispatch the pens to our customer, we do this fine-tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And now I'm going to give the writing sample of this pen. So for that I'm using our Penhouse violet color ink. Wow. Comparing to before, Wality pens nibs are writing so well nowadays. They are smoother, the ink flow and these nibs are awesome. This is an extraordinary smooth nib. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.